In our company, it's that team effort that gives everyone an experience they want to share. We try to go the extra distance every time, and now our efforts have been repaid with this fantastic 5-star review. It's obvious that great experiences like this always make us smile. Knowing that everyone is happy is our strongest motivation. We believe that our future success comes from our success today, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services sometime soon. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to everyone we serve, and in return, we receive incredible loyalty. Come by and experience our impeccable service today. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to doing business with you. Contact us anytime.